to the exciting world of the engagement attribute. This is the fifth attribute in the scale area, and it's deeply nested into your business model. Engagement connects your customer and your key partner, increasing the customer relation through your channels. The main goal of the engagement attribute is to create a strong relation with your customer, to amplify ideation and creativity, create a feedback loop with the users, and to incentivize loyalty through prices and gamification. Let's take a deeper look at these three different mechanisms. Amplify ideation and creativity, as for example, promoting step-on-demand designers and creators through challenges, as it happens in the Lego community, where anyone can be the next Lego set designer. Create a feedback loop with the user, again, promoting step-on-demand contribution through an epic goal like fight the traffic monster and the usage of leaderboards and badges, as it happens in Waze. And for sure, we cannot avoid to mention Duolingo for incentivize loyalty through prizes and gamification. Duolingo is promoting continuous learning through leaderboards, streak mechanisms, and prizes. This attribute implementation, moreover, allows your company to convert the crowd into your own community and leverage the marketing effort. These are just a couple of examples of the engagement attribute implementation, but how you can apply to your own company. There are diverse available approaches such as digital feedback, incentive prices, and gamification. Digital feedback. This is the most common application and allows you to track how users interact with your product. For example, A/B test, MVP feedback, beta testing, etc., etc. Incentive prices. I'm pretty sure you encountered this application different times. When you collect stamps on your loyalty card for a free pizza, coffee, beauty services, discounts, and more. Gamification. Gamification is the ability to transfer game techniques in the business world to facilitate user accomplishment of the so-called desired action. For example, you created an amazing running app and you expect your runners to use it progressively. But you discover that common techniques and leaderboard or small prizes are really not enough to motivate them, and also don't help you to stand out for the plethora of similar apps. And here, gamification comes to rescue. Why don't you teleport them in the middle of a zombie apocalypse and force them to run for their own lives? You can assign them mission, upgrades, rewards as they are progressing in the game. This is Zombie Run. Gamification is a widely studied application of the engagement attribute with more than 170 different techniques, and it can be applied to pretty everything. So let's make more examples. Gamification in classes. What's the best way to motivate students to progress in the learner better than transform the learning itself in a role-play game and students in fictional characters with various classes like healers, mages, fighters. Students can form teams, support each other, and fight epic bosses. Pretty amazing, don't you think so? Welcome to ClassCraft, a fully gamified platform as a service already adopted by 180 countries and more than 8 million students. And by the way, they have only 48 employees in August 22. Gamification can also be applied to professional training. Salesforce Training Center for Internal Certification is a fully gamified experience, including avatar, challenges, boss fights, streak prevention, exploration, mystery boxes, and more. But what about your personal life? Have you ever wondered if you are a playable character or an NPC in a simulated virtual reality, a kind of 4K immersive version of The Sims? So imagine the ability to visually progress in your daily diet, exercises, studies, meditation, sleep, and more. Everything based on your real life. So let me introduce you SuperBetter, a fully gamified transposition of your life into an app with progressive skill, attribute, dashboards, and so on. I believe this brief introduction about the engagement attribute gave you an overview of an unlimited opportunity it can offer to your company and inspired you to create new engaging products.